Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Sooji and Besan Ladoo. So let's get started.
I've got here half cup of warm water, 1 cup of semolina or Sooji, some oil for frying, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 cup of besan or chickpea flour which I have sifted, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour which I have sifted, half a cup of ghee, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sultanas, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts, and 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. Take a big dish, add semolina, flour and chickpea flour. Give it a quick mix using a whisk. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Add water little by little and knead it into a dough. Roll it into a log and break it into 3 equal-sized pieces. Roll each piece into a bowl and flatten it. Take 1 flattened ball at a time, roll it into a roti about 2 to 3 millimeters in thickness. Cut the rotis into small pieces and put them on a plate. To fry the dough pieces, place a fry pan on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. Add half of the dough pieces and fry them for 4 to 5 minutes or until you get a golden brown color. Take them out, let the excess oil drip off and put them on a plate. Repeat this with the remaining dough pieces and put them aside. Place a small fry pan on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee out of the half a cup of ghee and heat it. Add chopped almonds and cashew nuts and fry it for 2 minutes, stirring it continuously. Add desiccated coconut and fry it for 1 minute, stirring it continuously. Turn the heat off and take it out in a dish. Break the fried dough into small pieces, add half of it into a grinder jar and grind it into fine crumbs and add it to the dish with nuts. And repeat this process. Add sultanas, crushed cardamom and powdered sugar and mix it well to combine. Warm the milk in the microwave for 10 seconds and add it to the dish and give it a mix. Transfer the remaining ghee into a microwave-safe dish and heat it for 1 minute. Add hot ghee and mix it using a spoon first and then use your hand to mix it well. Take a handful of the mixture and press it in your palm using your fingers to form round shapes. Put them on a plate and repeat this process. My Sooji and Besan Ladoos are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Leftover Ladoos can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.